With a global push to become a green planet, reducing carbon dioxide emissions is necessary. One way of achieving lower emissions is by replacing internal combustion engine, or ICE vehicles, with electric vehicles, or EVs. ICE vehicles operate on burning fuel, while EVs operate on batteries, which are chemical energy storage devices. The primary type of battery used in EVs are lithium-ion batteries, or LIBs. Although many consumer-grade electronics consist of LIBs, these are generally much smaller battery cells that have smaller amounts of energy density, which is the amount of energy contained per unit of the battery volume. On the other hand, an EV battery pack can consist of thousands of battery cells, increasing the potential of explosion, fire, toxic emission release, and other destructive catastrophes that may occur if the battery pack has not been manufactured and tested correctly. As technology for LIBs and EVs advances, battery packs are being produced with increased energy density. However, an increase in energy density poses a safety concern that has led countries to make battery testing regulations more stringent to protect consumers. Battery testing regulations use a very specific set of abusive test conditions that have been standardized to help protect consumers, producers, and those transporting batteries. Standards and regulations vary from country to country, state to state, and city to city. There are consistent sets of tests which the manufacturers put the battery cells, battery modules, and battery packs through to verify that the safety concerns are minimized. Battery testing can be performance-based testing, which is more focused on ensuring the battery cell performs beyond its anticipated specifications. Another type of battery testing focuses on safety factors to avoid catastrophic failures that could harm humans and the environment. Battery safety is becoming a critical focus as advancements are being made by introducing new elements into the chemical structure of batteries to increase the voltage of the battery pack. Some common battery test conditions include maintaining a state of charge, or SOC, between 95% and 100%, and the temperature of the battery at 25 plus or minus 5 degrees Celsius. Battery testing regulations continue to evolve to protect consumers.